आम्ही आता आमच्या गोंया सारकेल्या राज्यान आता सकाळच्यान आमी पळयतात दमट वातावरण आसा आणि सोलर पावर जर आमी जनरेट करतले जाल्यार अशें म्हणटात की खूब वत जाय, खूब सनलायट जाय. सो गोंयान 4 म्हयने मॉन्सून आसता. अशा टायमार हे सोलर जनरेशन प्लांट गोंयान चलू शकता काय कशें कितें?
Actually, if you see, I will tell you an example of the country called as Germany. Germany has got a very limited sunlight, but the way they have gone for solarization, left, right, center, they have gone. I am not comparing Germany with India. Germany, I am comparing with Goa. Goa has got out of 365 days, 260 sunny days. The balance number of days also, पहिली भशेन आतां कितें तो चार दीस पावस फुल पडना. थोडे पडलो जाल्यार पासून एक 3 वरां पासून दिसाचो ब्रायट सन आसता. You can generate. Definitely you can generate. And today's the technology has evolved. The panels are so efficient, it can generate electricity. And over a period, in our calculations for all practical purposes, we assume 4.5 sun peak hours throughout 365 days, averaged. So some sunny days, summer you can get 7 hours. Overall winter थोडी कमी मातशे पावसांक 3 वरां अशें करून ते 4.5 इज द एवरेज फॉर 365 days. मातशें दमट जालें म्हणून कांयच देर इज नो इशू. एंड द सिस्टम इज सच द मोमेंट इट ड्रॉप्स बिलो द generating point, it directly goes to the grid. You know, your electricity goes to the grid. When the sun, it goes back to in the fraction of milliseconds.
Okay.
You know, that is one part of it. And Goya खूप scope asa for going for solar. Goa is really one of the best states in the country wherein you can go for solar. I will add a bit more than this. I mean, Goa, Daman and Diu पहिले आशिल्ले. Now, Daman and Diu are Union territories. You take an example of Diu. It's a small place in the outskirts of Gujarat. You know, they produce solar energy so much. They are exporting 5 megawatts of solar power to Gujarat, to a bigger state. So and it is run by the administrator. And for last 60 years, post liberation, we have never thought out of the box to go for producing a single unit of electricity. It's a pathetic state. I would say that. We should have thought about it. At least solarization you can do. Today, so much of barren land is available in the panchayats and community. We can explore possibilities of going for solar on a mega scale.
Correct.
Now, many things will fall in place. And yes, Goa has to take up a lead. MNRE had given guidelines to all the states, and Goa was given 150 megawatts generation from 15 to 22. We are in 23 today. 7 years have already crossed, and we have produced only 46 megawatts of generation of electricity through solar. In 2015, before the new Narendra Modi government took over, before that there was a plan for 12 years by the earlier government that they were supposed to produce just 20 gigawatt of power. That has enhanced to 160 megawatts of power. Gigawatts of power in the last 8 years. You know, out of which we have already touched 70% is done. Okay. So India's solarization plan is #1 in the world, you can say. I am only speaking of as far as Goa is concerned, we are just lagging behind. And there is a need of incentivizing these schemes for people to go for solar.